I'm gonna show a way where you can invest in stocks and get paid in dividends every single month without big capital and a lot of money. Hi guys, it's Grayson here. So for those that don't know me, I'm a stock investor and I've experience working for investment firm. So as I mentioned in the title, yes, I'll show a way where you can invest in stocks and get paid in dividends every single month without big capital. So I was in stocks research yesterday and I found something very interesting, which you only need a certain few amount of stocks and you can actually get paid in dividend every single month. So in this video I'm gonna show you which stock exactly is gonna pay you on which month and in which way you can get paid in dividend on January until December of the year. So let's get to it. So before we begin, I want you guys to get familiar with these three brands. First, we have Starbucks Corporation, stock ticker SBUX, and second one we have Coca-Cola Company, stock ticker KO, and third we have Johnson&Johnson, stock ticker JNJ. So here's the graph that I just created just right now to you guys to have a more clear view of what I'm about to say in this video. So as you can see, from month February until December, we have a monthly dividend income coming. So the first company we're gonna look at is Starbucks Corporation. I believe you guys are so familiar with this brand because it's so deeply rooted in your daily life. And they have a dividend yield of 1.9%, and they pay out their dividend on every year on month February, May, August, and November. And the second company we're gonna look at is Coca-Cola Company. Again, this is a brand that you guys are very familiar with. And they have a dividend yield of 2.9%, nearly to 3%. And they pay out their dividends on every April, July, October, and December. And the third stock we're gonna look at is Johnson&Johnson. It's a very familiar household name for baby powder, shampoo, etc. They have a dividend yield of 2.68%, and they pay out their dividends on every March, June, September, and December. And I believe many of you have noticed that there's no dividend payment on January. And I did it on purpose, and I'm gonna let you know why. The reason is very simple. It's because you need, and it's compulsory for us investor to do a annual review and annual strategy planning for every year. So on month January, I suggest we all to do a proper review to our investment strategy. It doesn't matter if you are an individual investor, corporate investor, or even you work for investment firm and you manage a investment fund. It's very important to look back on last year, what we did right and wrong, and do some proper coordination and adjustment so we can have a better investment year. I know a lot of you are wondering how much exactly you need to invest in these three stocks. Don't worry, I'm gonna break it down to you guys on how much you need exactly to invest in these three stocks and use this strategy to get paid every month in dividend. Keep in mind all prices are counted as today trading price. Starbucks trading at $87.74. Coca-Cola trading at $54.40, Johnson&Johnson trading at $143.83. So if you add 3 up, it will be a total amount of $285.97. And with merely $286, you can actually invest in 3 stocks and get paid in dividend every month. So think very carefully, guys, before you spend a $300 simply next time. Do keep in mind though, this is not an investment advice that you must follow. This is just something that I found out in my research and I find it very interesting and I want to share to you guys. Please make your research and do your due diligence with any investment advice you get, even from the professional, because you have to be very careful with the money you put in your investment. So I hope you get value from this video. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like to see more content like this. And as always, have a good day and happy investing.